Jai Srimanarayana. Fifth sloka of 16th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Daivi Sampat Vimokshaya Nibandhaya Asuri Mata Masuchaha Sampadam Daivim Abhijatosi Pandava. Om. Realize that if you want to be released from the bondage, you have to submit to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Do not transgress Sri Krishna Paramatma's commandments. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I do want to be released from the bondage. I shall submit to you. O Krishna, I shall not transgress your commandments. Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasamyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Om Haraye Namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 313th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, after Krishna Paramatma came out from Yamuna river, all the people, Gopalas, Gopikas, cows, baby cows, bulls, everyone felt very happy, and all the Gopalas, Gopikas, they hugged Krishna and they repeatedly again and again looking at the beautiful face of Krishna Paramatma. They are enjoying seeing Krishna Paramatma's face because they have so much of love on Krishna Paramatma. Then some of the Brahmanas, Nandam Vipraha Samagatya Guravaha Sakalatrakaha, they came to Nanda and appreciated Nanda, congratulated Nanda that because his son got saved from Kaliya. And also said like this, Ho Nanda, Dehi Danam Dvijatinam Krishna Nirmukti Hetave. From now onwards, to get rid of all these kind of troubles to Sri Krishna, you have to do some charities to Brahmanas. Like that Brahmana said, then Nanda immediately with so much of happiness, Gaha Suvarnam Tadadisat, he did Godana Suvarnadanas to Brahmanas. Yashodapi Mahabhaga Nashtalabda Prajasati Parishvajya Ankamaropya Mumocha Ashrukala Muhuhu. Yashoda Devi has taken Krishna into her lap and again giving tight hug, and Yashoda Devi moving to happy tears and saying like this, Ninnun Avugra Bhujangamambu Karavannivu Apadam Punduchunnane Mantitanuja Nakuna Natanri Ra. Oh Krishna, when that dreadful snake was biting you, how much of you might have cried and how many times you might have called me Amma, Amma. Oh Krishna, did you get scared of that snake? Like that Yashoda Devi again and again Kannirulkaga Kaugilincha Tanayun Garamuto. While moving to tears, she is tightly hugging Krishna, and she is comforting Krishna. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 16th chapter, 5th sloka. Daivi sampad vimokshaya nibandhaya surimata masuchas sampadam daivim abhijatosi pandava. Daivi sampad vimokshaya nibandhaya surimata masuchas sampadam daivim abhijatosi pandava. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.